How to turn off Twitter sensitive content setting. Firstly, open your Play Store. So right here in your Play Store, you have to go ahead and type in for Twitter and tap on it. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, simply tap open your Twitter application. At the top, you will see a profile icon. Tap on it and expand the option of settings and support and go to settings and privacy. So right here, you will see the option of privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap on it. Then select the option of content you see. So right here, you can simply go ahead and toggle on the option of display media that may contain sensitive content. Once you turn it on, you will have to see the post and the videos that might be too sensitive for you or that might be a little more discreet. Once you have enabled the feature, you have to head back to your home page and swipe to the very top so that you can refresh your feed and refresh the setting. Or you can even go ahead and close your Twitter application and reopen it once again. You can go ahead and disable the feature whenever you want or enable it back on whenever you want. Go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.